Hey team, how are you? Happy Friday. I want to get this information out to you. Going into the weekend, boy, what an interesting week. As you all know, the deal is off and there's no more ceasefire apparently. And there's obviously fighting in Iran, which has added to some uncertainty, has hurt affordability. The two things I'm telling you are driving the market. So basically a rough day. Tuesday, Wednesday, yesterday, the market bounced back a bit and we're above some technical signals. So we might see some follow through. The market hasn't opened yet this morning. So we'll kind of see how that looks. But I did want to get the information out. Decent activity right now. Obviously, the market is handling this pretty well, pretty resilient. I would have expected much more of a challenged response to this. However, there was the Fed minutes that came out. 8 Fed members think that rates will stay the same this year. 1 believes there's a rate cut, and then 9 are predicting an increase. So it's pretty obviously all over the place with Fed members on what the Fed will do with rates this year. So that was also somewhat calming to the markets yesterday, obviously with regard to the majority, or at least half of them. I don't think there's going to be any rate cuts this year. And then Kevin Warsh obviously is very much speaking about inflation being somewhat muted and in control. Also, big news, July 22nd, August 5th, Wednesday, 3 o'clock. We're doing psychology of buyers, kind of scripting, talking about what their concerns are, how to overcome them, really talking them through what we're doing in this market again with affordability, certainty, and scripting around that. Also, it's a 2-part series. August 5th, we will have Jamie Miller, Art of Conscious Communication, as our guest speaker. Super excited, basically doing an hour of training on both days and then an hour of networking. It's going to be at the Irish Pub in Snoqualmie, obviously Saints and Scholars. So we'll have some training, networking, drink some food on me. Definitely let me know if you can make it. We've got a cap of 30 people. I've already got about 10 for both of those events. We just released it the other day. So if you are interested, there is a Loom link for both of those events in this email. So take a look. Would be excited to have you, but there is a limit. And once it hits 30, we're shutting it down and we are full. So 2-part series would be great if you could make both. If you can only make one or the other, it'll still be valuable. But I did want to get that information out. Have a great weekend. I'll be around to support you. We'll see how all this Iran stuff plays out, but we're definitely guiding clients, still getting people under contract, still a great opportunity for buyers right now. So let us know how we can support you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.